This time tomorrow we'll be on the road, riding with you in the sunnier days. I wouldn't want it any other way. Taking the good with the ups and downs. I wanna see how the world turns round. Let's go adventure in the deep blue sea. Home is with you wherever that may be. Home is with you wherever that may be.
Alright guys, where are we going today?
To the airport show!
That's right, we're going to the air show. I think it's called the Amazing San Antonio Air Show.
We're gonna watch them fly!
We're gonna watch them fly, that's right. Adam's shaking his head. What is it called?
The Great Texas Air Show.
That's right. It's called the Great Texas Air Show. And this one does not have the Blue Angels in it. It has the Thunderbirds.
Texas.
It is
called Texas.
It is called Texas Air Show. But we're going to go over to Randolph Air Force Base
Texas.
to enjoy the air show. Like I said, it's going to have the Thunderbirds in it. It's been so long since I've seen them perform. They are our favorite demonstration team. And it's going to be fun. But we're going to bring you guys along today. It's going to be a great day. It's a little bit of an overcast day, but at least the sun isn't going to be beating down on us. Yeah, it is super windy out here. Is this cool, Peter?
Look up. It's the ceiling.
I know. It's massive.
Is
Let
it
me see.
muffled?
Do you guys have your earplugs in? Let's see them.
Hey, Daddy has one.
Daddy has them too. Can you hear me?
No.
Okay. You guys never seem to hear me before anyways. You ready to watch the Thunderbirds? We're waiting for the Thunderbirds, and Peter brought me a little flower. Did We are on our way home. It was a full day of being in the sun. I think that we are all a little bit red, but overall it was a fun day. We did have some hiccups, mostly with the food situation. We waited in line for close to an hour just to get some hot dogs and a cheeseburger. That wasn't very great. Hot dogs were $6 each and cheeseburgers were $12 each, and I don't think it was very worth it. So if you're able, and if you guys are planning on going next year, go ahead and pack those lunches and eat them in the car before you enter the airfield. They will not allow any food or drink into the airfield, and it was a huge disappointment. I was able to bring some snacks for the kids, but maybe next year I should try to find some other way to sneak in some peanut butter and jelly for the kids because they were still hungry after that hot dog. But definitely not worth the wait nor the money. Once we were able to make our way over to the flight line, it was so much fun watching the demonstrations, and the Thunderbirds did not disappoint. Hope you guys enjoyed the video of their demonstration. It was great seeing them after all these years. So we're gonna wrap up this vlog, go home, clean ourselves up. It's been a long day. Eat some spaghetti for dinner, which sounds fantastic right now, and just relax because we definitely need it. The kids are in the back snoozing as we speak, so that's gonna make it a long night right there. Make sure you give us a thumbs up to this video, subscribe to our channel, and we appreciate you guys for tagging along with us today. See you guys soon.